Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a new product in Salesforce Lightning, a simple way to manage your product catalog and streamline your sales process. First, log into your Salesforce dashboard and click the app launcher, the grid icon in the top left corner. In the search bar, type products and select it. Next, click the new button to start creating a new product record. This opens a blank form where you'll enter all the product details. Start by entering the product name. Be clear and specific. This name will appear in lists and reports. Then enter a product code if needed. It's optional but helpful for quick identification. Choose a product family and category to group similar products together. Add a description that highlights key features, uses, and any distinguishing details. Check the active box to make the product available in your Salesforce environment. If left unchecked, it won't show up in opportunities or orders. To complete, click Save to finalize your new product. Double check your entries before saving to avoid issues later. And that's it. You've just created a new product in Salesforce Lightning, ready to support your sales and inventory workflows. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.